Hi, this is Lisa from Happy Fit Group Fitness. I'm here today to show you a few of the movements that you can do using your foam roller, targeting all of the major muscle groups in your body and getting the maximum stretch and relaxation or myofascial release. Foam rollering works best when you do it every single day for about 5 to 10 minutes. So if you can make a little bit of time every day to run through these moves, you'll notice some improvements in your flexibility and your recovery time. I definitely notice it helps me when I'm teaching tons of classes every week. If I don't foam roller, I really notice that I'm tight and stiff, and so it does offer some really good benefits. You want to focus on doing about 5 to 10 passes per muscle group, and like I said, every single day. So here we go. I'll just demonstrate over here. Cooper's already set himself up on my mat, of course, but we'll just try and work around him, all right, without steamrolling over him. So the first muscle group I like to start with are the calves, the lower leg. You can start out just setting those legs on the roller, rolling back and forth like this. Cooper, you're in the way. Go on. Scoot. If you need a little bit more pressure, you can cross one leg over the other, and just adding that extra little bit of weight will help you get a little bit of a deeper roll. You can also focus on the outside of the legs by turning the toes outward and then turn them in slightly to get the inside of that leg or those calves, all right? Next I move on up to the hamstrings, starting just above the knee pit and rolling right to the base of the glute, just like that. 5 to 10 passes, and then you roll right up to the glutes. So just sit on that roller, forward and back, and you'll develop your own technique. You just have to practice and get used to the feeling of it. You want to make sure you're putting the roller right on the cheek and not on the tailbone or the lower back. So one side and then the other. And then I like to move on to the IT band, which is the outside of the leg right here. So you want to focus on this section from just above the knee to just below the hip. So how you do this is you put that leg right on the roller sideways, and then you take your top foot, cross it over, put it on the ground to help you balance, and then you just roll up and down like so on that roller to just loosen up those muscles. Getting at the IT band often really helps with knee kind of discomfort or pain, because those tight muscles can pull the kneecap out of position. But with any kind of pain, you always want to get checked out by a professional. Once you get used to that IT band, you can just lift both legs up and add a bit more pressure like that. And then once you do both IT bands, you can roll right onto the quads. So starting just above the knees and then rolling to just below the hips. Forward and back, elbows down in plank position. Or if you're more comfortable from your hands, you can do it like this. All right, so you want to make sure never to roll right over a joint. So you want to avoid like rolling right over the kneecap. Stop just above it and just below that hip. All right, so the next group that you can work out is the upper back. So starting in the middle of the back and then going right to the top of the shoulder blades, but not onto the neck. So you just lean back on that roller, hands behind the head, and then just roll up and down like this. This one feels really nice. If you feel any pops and clicks and that sort of thing, that's normal as long as there's no pain. And then to finish off, I tend to roll right forward, gently rest my head on the roller, and then you just rock side to side, feeling that pressure on the back of the head, the bottom of the head here, not on the neck, and it's a nice relaxing way to finish. So those are the roller moves that you can do at home, as mentioned, every single day, 5 to 10 minutes. It really doesn't take long, and you'll notice some great benefits in time. So anyway, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just email me or come up to me in class and ask away. I'm happy to answer all your questions. Thanks again.